The next set of questions. First one, 158 divided by 7. The second question, 478 divided by 8. Third question, 842 divided by 3. Okay, we can start with the first question. It's 158 divided by 7. 158 divided by 7. Okay, then 1 we can't divide it with divided by 7. Okay, then what to do? We will go to the next digit. Now it's become 15. 15 is divisible by 7. Okay, then for this we need the multiplication table of 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, then 7 threes are 21. Okay, here 14 is there, after that 21. 21 is more than 15 and 14 is less than 15. Okay, so which one we will take? We will take this 14. Okay, then here how much times? 7 into 2 is 14. Then where we want to write this 2? Up of 1 or up of 5? Here up of 5 we want to write 2 because we take 5 with 1, so it's become 15. Okay, then here it's 2. Then 7 into 2 is 14. Okay, then we want to subtract 5 minus 4, it's 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Then it's 8. 7 into which number gives 18? In the table of 7, 18 is not there. 14 is there. After that, 21 is there. Okay. Then 21 is more than 18. Then which value we will take? We will take 14. Then 7 into 2 is 14. So again here 2. Up of this 8 we want to write 2. Then 2 into 7 or 7 into 2 is 14. Okay. Then 8 minus 4, it's 4. 1 minus 1, 0. We don't want to write because it's the left side of the number. Okay. Then 158 divided by 7 equal to 22 and the remainder equal to 4. Okay. Now we can go to the second question. Second question is 478 divided by 8. Okay, for this we want to know the multiplication table of 8. Then the second one, 478 divided by 8. Here also this 4 we can't divide by 8 because 4 is smaller than 8. So what we will do? We will take the next digit also. So it's become 47. Then 47, how much time in... Sorry. Then here 47 is divisible by 8 because 47 is more than 8. Okay. For this we want the multiplication table of 8. Then 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. Then 8 threes are 24. 8 into 5, 40. 48. 8 6 are 48. Then here 8 6 are 48. 8 5s are 40. Here it is 47. 47. Here 48 is more than 47. So we don't want to take that value. So we can go to this one. That is 8 into 5 equal to 40. Then 8 into which number? 5. So we want to write this 5 above of this 7. Okay, it's 40. Then we want to subtract. 7 minus 0, it's 7. 4 minus 4, it's 0. Left side, no need to write 0. Okay, then what to do? We can write the next digit down. Now it's become 78. So we can continue the table. So there is no space, so shall I write here? Okay, this order we wrote now. 8 into 8, then 8 into 9, 8 into 10, 8. So here it's 78. In the table here it is 80. Then before that we are getting 72. 80 is more than 78. So we don't want this value. So we can go to this one. Okay, 8 into 9 is 72. Then here 8 into 9. So we want to write this 9 here. It's 72. After that we can subtract. 8 minus 2, it's 6. 7 minus 7, it's 0. So when we divide 478 by 8, 78 divided by 8, the quotient is 59 and the remainder equal to 6. Okay. Now we can go to the third question. Third one, 842 divided by 3. Then here it's the 8 is divisible by 3 because 8 is more than 3. Okay, then how much time? We want to write the multiplication table of 3. 3 ones are 3. Okay, now 3 threes are 9. Then here only 8. So 9 we don't want. Then which value we can take? We can take this 6. 3 into 2 is 6. Then how much time? 2 times in 8. Okay. 2 times 3 into 2 it's 6. Okay. Then what to do? Subtract. 8 minus 6 it is 2. Then after that we will write this digit down. Now it's become 24. We can continue the table. Okay, here in the table of 3, 24 is there. 3 into 8 is 24. Okay, 3 into 2 is, 3 into 8 is 24. 3 into 8 is 24. Then how much time 3 in 24? 8 times. Okay, here 8 times it's 24. Then subtraction. 4 minus 4 it's 0, 2 minus 2 it's 0. Okay, then it's become 0, 0. Then you can write the next digit down. If you want, you can avoid this 1, 0. Okay, it's 24 minus 24, it's 0. 0, 0 means also it's 0. Okay, then we can write this 2 down. Then we can't divide this 2 by 3 because 2 is smaller than 3. Then what to do? We can't divide. Then how we will express that one? By giving 1 0 here. Okay. So we can stop here. We can't divide this 2 by 3. then we want to give one 0. We can't divide, so we are writing like this. Then here there is no digit, so we can stop here. Then 842 divided by 3, it's equal to 280. Then remainder equal to 2. Clear, no? Then hope today's class is clear for you all. Then write all these into notebook. Then after writing all these, write the question in another book or rough book. Then find the answer yourself and check it's with your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.